Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, access tab menu. Now you need to find one-handed mode icon over here and tap on it. If you can see it, you need to click on this icon with a pen. Find it over here and drag it to the top. Then go back. And now when I click on it, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can click on this icon at the bottom right or left corner. If you wish to go back, you need to click on this one at the top right or left corner. And as you can see, now it's off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!